वाहेगुरु जी का खालसा वाहेगुरु जी की फतेह. Welcome to another session of symbols or matras, where we talk about different matras which are there in the Punjabi language and how they change the sounds of the letters once we attach these matras to them. So today we are going to look at the matra Ankar. So this Ankar is written differently by different people. Some people use O, some people use U. It all depends on how a person is pronouncing. And when we talk about the Punjabi language, right, the same word can be written differently in the English alphabets by different people. But one thing should be constant, and that is when we talk about the Gurmukhi script, right, we should write it only in one way. Okay, so before we move on with the Ankar symbol, let's talk about two or three things that we usually talk about whenever we talk about any symbol or any matra in the Punjabi language. The first point is Ankar will be at the bottom of the letter. So if this is my letter, my Ankar will be at the bottom of the letter. So this is how we represent an Ankar, a dash, you can say. Second is the sound of the matra. The sound of the matra will be U, like we have in Urdu. So we pronounce the letter U in Urdu as U, right? That short sound that we have, that is what will be the sound of the Ankar matra. The third and the most important point is we cannot use Ankar matra with Ada and Ed. These are the two letters where we cannot attach Ankar. Just remember these three rules. First one is Ankar will be at the bottom of the letter. Second one is the sound of the matra Ankar. That will be U. Okay, like we have the sound of U in Urdu. And the third point is we cannot use Ankar with Ada and Ed. Okay, so these are all the letters that we have in Gurmukhi. 35 plus 6, which is 41. The black ones are the Mukta letters where we have not attached any matra, and blue ones are the ones where we have attached the matra Ankar. Now we are going to look at the different sounds that these letters are going to make and how they sound when no matra is attached. So first one is Uda. Uda cannot have any sound if we have not attached any matra. In other ways, we cannot use Uda without any symbol. Okay. So once we have attached the matra Ankar, its sound will be U. So this is also the sound of Ankar. We say Urdu, right? That U is the sound of Ankar. So that U will be represented by this sound. Uda and then Ankar. Ada and Ed are two letters where we cannot use Ankar matra. We have discussed this. Then we have Sassa. Sassa is going to be the sound of Sa. Once we have attached Ankar to Sassa, it will become Su. Ha, Ha, Hu, Kakka, Ka, Ku, Khakha, Kha, Khu, Gagga, Ga, Gu, Kagga, Ka, Ku, Nganga, Nga, Ngo, Chacha, Cha, Chu, Chacha, Cha, Chu, Jajja, Ja, Ju, Chajja, Cha, Chu. This is Yaya, Ya. Let me put the letter and Ankar. I forgot to put. This is Yaya. Yaya is going to be the sound of Ya. This is Yaya and Ankar. This will become Ya. Tanka, Ta, Tu, Thatha, Tha, Thu, Dadda, Da, Du, Tadda, Ta, Tu, Nana, ण ण तत्ता त त थत्था थ थ दद्दा द द तद्दा त त नन्ना न न पप्पा प प पप्पा प प बब्बा ब ब पब्बा प प मम्मा म म यय्या य य रारा र र लल्ला ल ल वावा व व राड़ा ड़ ड़ This is खखे पैर बिंदी खखा ख ख गग्गे पैर बिंदी गग्गा ग ग जज्जे पैर बिंदी जज्जा ज ज फफे पैर बिंदी फफ्फा फ फ लल्ले पैर बिंदी लल्ला ळ ळ So these are all the sounds that we are going to get once an onkar is attached to the Gurmukhi letters. It is very easy to remember all these sounds if we know two things. First thing is the sounds of the mukta letters, all the mukta letters that we have. Once we know all the sounds of the black letters, then what we need to do is we need to attach the sound of onkar. So this is, for example, let me say this is kakka, right? Kakka is going to give the sound of ka. So once I have attached onkar, the sound of the onkar is u, like in Urdu we have the sound of u here. So that u sound is attached to ka. This will become ku. Easy, right? Just remember all the symbols that we are talking about, right? All the matras that we are talking about. They are very important if we want to learn the Punjabi language. Because without matras, we cannot make all the words that we need in our everyday life. So matras are very important when we talk about the Punjabi language or when we talk about the Gurmukhi script. So that will be all for today. If you have any questions related to the onkar matra, please let me know in the comment section below. ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ